Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a study schedule on Excel. First, open a new Excel workbook. You'll want to set up your basic layout by labeling columns for the days of the week, specific time blocks, and the subjects you need to study. This initial setup is crucial for a well-organized and effective schedule. Remember to format your cells for clear readability, perhaps using different colors or bold text to highlight important sections. This makes your schedule easy to follow at a glance. Now let's structure your time. Divide your day into manageable blocks, perhaps 1 hour or 30-minute increments, depending on your study habits. Then, carefully enter your specific subjects or tasks into these time slots. Don't forget to allocate sufficient time for essential breaks and meals. These are vital for maintaining focus and preventing burnout. A balanced schedule is a productive one, ensuring you have energy throughout your study sessions. This detailed approach helps you visualize your commitments. To make your schedule even more powerful, let's customize it. Use Excel's conditional formatting to highlight high-priority subjects or upcoming deadlines, making them stand out visually. You can also add a dedicated column for notes, where you can jot down specific assignments, project details, or important reminders. Consider including another column to track your progress or mark tasks as completed. This visual feedback can be incredibly motivating and helps you stay on top of your workload effectively. Finally, remember that a study schedule is a living document. Regularly review and adjust it as your workload or priorities change to ensure it remains effective. You can print your schedule and post it where you'll see it daily, or keep it easily accessible on your digital devices. A consistent routine is key to academic success. Also, for a fresh car, check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy studying!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.